Okay, so I'm out here playing a little bit of disc golf out at ICC, and sorry I didn't get a video up the rest of the weeks. Kind of missed last week. I was feeling under the weather towards the end of the week and all weekend. Not feeling so great. So anyway, I'm just gonna make a short vlog. I have some leftover footage of there was a storm that went through this area a couple weeks ago, and I flew my drone up in the air and actually got to catch some lightning on that film, which was cool. And then I did a time lapse of the storm on my GoPro. It didn't turn out perfect, but it's the first one I tried, so I'll go ahead and put that on here too. And I'll go ahead and show you guys this one disc golf shot for the vlog and see how can we get this set up here. Use a stick. Sorry the light's not that good, but I'm just gonna throw this envy right at the basket right there. Hope it goes in. Okay, that was terrible. I'm gonna try another one. Well, the camera fell over, so whatever. Alright guys, enjoy the storm video. Enjoy the rest of the vlog. I came up with an app idea recently. I'm not going to mention what it is on here, but I think it might be worth some money. It has to do with disc golf, but so I got this software where it allows you to draw the screens and kind of make a functional wireframe of an app. And that's what I'm trying to do. I'm going to try to get the screens together and maybe try to find a developer or something and see if they want to partner up with me, because I think it's got a lot of potential. But I do hear it's a lot of work and I don't know how to write code. So unless I'm going to teach myself to write code, I've heard it's not even worth it. But I don't know. It's just kind of fun for me to tinker around with. So if something comes out of it, whatever. If not, okay. Anyway, here's where my disc landed. There's the basket. So I'm going to try to make this putt and enjoy the storm video. I'll see you guys later. Bye.